Since its debut in 1985 as a dependable basketball performance model, Peter Moore's Dunk design has been the main emphasis of Nike's skate-oriented series. Various model trims have been treated with the Nike SB treatment, which prioritizes zoom air cushioning and additional padding at the inner lining and tongue. When the Air Max2 CB first came out, basketball was dominated by big men, and Sir Charles was the paintmaster every night. The bootie-like design of the sneaker has made it notoriously hard to put on, yet this feature works well for sports because it improves containment. Since Barkley's pair only features an Air Max unit at the heel, it should offer good board feel under the forefoot, which skaters have said is a must for the greatest Nike SB projects. Keep checking back for official images and more information about the skateable Air Max2 CB 94 Lowe's Nike.com release. The couple is anticipated to be dressed in gum light brown, varsity red, white, and white in the first half of 2026.